In today's video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication 2FA on Etsy. First, open Etsy in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home page, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account Settings. Next, go to the Security tab. Find Two-Factor Authentication 2FA and click Turn 2FA on. Choose how you would like to receive your security codes. Authenticator app, recommended. Use an app such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or 2FAS. This option is more secure and works globally. SMS or phone. Receive a code by text message or automated phone call. Keep in mind that this option may not be available in all countries. Click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. If you're using an authenticator app, scan the QR code with the app, then enter the 6-digit code generated by the app into Etsy. If you're using SMS, enter the verification code sent to your phone. After verification, Etsy will provide a set of backup recovery codes. Save these codes in a secure location so you can access your account if you lose access to your authentication method. Finally, click Complete. And that's it. That's how you set up two-factor authentication on Etsy.